Have you ever noticed how doing your makeup can fix your mood even faster than an advice? Yeah. Like you could wake up tired, heavy, exhausted, or not just in the mood. But the moment you sit in front of that mirror, you start applying the makeup from your foundation to your eyebrows to the contour. You will just start noticing that your mood shifts immediately, and all of a sudden you start getting excited and happy. Most times it's not just about the makeup, it's the silence, the stillness, the little ritual of reminding yourself that you can rebuild, even if it's just with brushes and colors. Makeup is not all about looking perfect. It's about feeling human again. That's the part most people don't understand, because they think makeup is a waste of time, a waste of energy, a waste of money. No. But deep down, you and I know that makeup is therapy. And maybe, just maybe, that's why we keep coming back to the mirror. Not just to fix our faces, but to find our peace. And next time, when someone says, "Hey babe, you're doing too much," just smile and tell them to calm down, because they are not seeing what you're seeing. Trust me, they are not feeling what you're feeling. This is a soft reminder that you still have that strength to show up beautifully, even when life feels messy. You're not just painting your face, you're rebuilding your peace. And this is deeper than you understand. Do you think makeup stirs that inner you? Do you think looking beautiful makes you feel beautiful too? Drop it in the comments and follow for more deep dives. Till we meet next time, I love you and thank you for watching to the end.